In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in an Innovo Dual Mode Thermometer. It's very simple. All right, so this is a dual mode thermometer. You can scan your head with this end by pressing this button, or you can scan your kid's ear or your ear by pressing this button. So it does both of them. The way it works is off batteries. The way you get the batteries out is there's a little compartment in the back. And what you have to do is you got to push on it, and it pops. And then if you look, you'll see there's little, I guess, channels on each side, and you can see that these little things hook in there. So it's got a slide and then it pops out. Now, these batteries are basically AAA batteries. You're going to need AAA batteries. And the way you get them out is you've got the negative end here on this one. You see the spring right there, the spring. So you got to come to the top. And you could use a little, I'm going to use a pick. I just pop it like this, and it comes out. And this one here, I do the same thing. And done. So if you look inside, you're going to see you've got the negative side here, the positive side there. It tells you right in there. It's easy to figure out. If you can't figure it out, your negative side is going to be the flat end. The flat end, not the side with the nipple on it. And you take the flat end, and you're going to push it into the spring to put it in. And then you take this one, it's usually the opposite way, right? So you got to go the opposite over here, take it and push it in. And bam, you can hear it make a little noise. And then next you get your cover, and you're going to just kind of slide it in there like that. You see how it kind of slides? And then you just push it, and bam, it's ready to go. And then you can go right up to your head, and you can check out your temperature. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Pirish out.